Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we open a true legend of the 90s in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Acura NSX 1990 from the HW the 90s series, number 175 out of 250 for 2024. In this unboxing, we'll discover every detail of this diecast model and dive into the story of the real car that inspired it. This miniature comes in a clean white livery with a black roof, spoiler, and sleek black wheels. It perfectly captures the aggressive yet elegant lines of the first-generation NSX, a car that made history by bringing Japanese engineering into the supercar world. The real Acura NSX debuted in 1990 and was powered by a 3.0L V6 VTEC engine, producing 270 horsepower. Developed with input from Ayrton Senna himself, the NSX was known for its balance, precision, and for being one of the most driver-friendly supercars of its era. At just 443 meters long, it had an aerodynamic silhouette and reached a top speed of 270 km/h with 0 to 100 km/h in 5.9 seconds. Numbers that placed it directly against Ferrari and Porsche, but at a fraction of the price, earning it the nickname, the everyday supercar. This Hot Wheels reproduction celebrates that legacy in the iconic 1/64 format. From its low stance to the details of the front and rear lights, it's a perfect piece for any diecast collector who loves 90s icons. And that's it for today's unboxing of the Acura NSX 1990 HTF02. Don't forget to like the video, share it with other collectors, and subscribe to The Growing Cars Show for more unboxings and diecast passion. See you at the next model.